Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will be discussing multiplication of numbers close to powers of 10. This is a special multiplication technique. We have multiplication of any two-digit numbers, a separate video, multiplication of any three-digit numbers. But here, we will talk about some special technique of numbers close to powers of 10, not for every number, only to the powers of 10. What do you mean by that? Powers of 10 means that close to numbers close to 10, numbers close to 10 square, that is 100, numbers close to 10 cube, that is 1000, and so on. Students, give me two numbers close to 10 power 1, that is 10. Numbers close to 10, if you take, they are 8 and 9. Do you require a shortcut to multiply 8 and 9? Or maybe 11 and 9? Or maybe 11 and 8? These are all small numbers. You don't need any special technique to multiply them. You know them already. You know already the basic tables. You can solve them. So that's why let's start with at least numbers close to, when I say powers of 10, let me start minimum with numbers close to 10 square. Let us say 100. Let's take students 96 into 90, say 1. Can you please multiply, pause this video and multiply in your own and see how much time you are taking, students. Come on, everyone. Can you say that it is 8736 without writing? See, if I can say 8736, I see it's not there in my memory. How I could do this? See, these two are close to a power of 10, close to 100. How close this number is to 100? 4 less than 100, I can say minus 4. Students, I'm writing minus 4 because this number is 4 less than 100. If it is 4 more than 100, I would have said plus 4. Right, suppose if it is 104, I would have said plus 4. 91, it is 9 less than 100, I am writing minus 9. If it is 109, I would have written plus 9. Okay, students, now tell me what is 96 minus 9? 87. Or what is 91 minus 4? 87. Either way it is same or not. I repeat, 96 minus 9, 87, or 91 minus 4, 87. Same or not same? It is always same, students. Let there be no doubt. What should I do if it is not same? Because you are taking these two numbers in terms of a common number. Please understand, this is nothing but 100 minus 4, 100 minus 4 minus 9, or this is 100 minus 9 minus 4. They are dealing with the same numbers. That's why it will always be same, students. Right? Let me take it once again. 96 into 91. It is how much less than 100? 4. This is how much less than 100? 9. 96 minus 9, 87, or 91 minus 4, 87. It will always remain same, right? Because you're writing these two numbers in terms of the common number. What is that common number? 100. So students, 91 minus 4, 87. 87 into that common number 100. Okay, how much it is into 100 is not a multiplication. You have to simply add two zeros. Okay, and then multiply these two numbers, students. Minus into minus plus, 4 into 9, 36. So what's my answer? 8736. So you don't have to write so detailed. You can directly say 8736. Why? The moment I see minus 4 and minus 9, I can say it is 4 less, it's 9 less. 96 minus 9, 87. 8700 because they are close to 100. 4 9 is 36. 8700 plus 36, 8736. This addition you can do in your mind. Suppose if I ask you, students, 94 into say 93. What I can say, this is how much less than 100? 6. This is how much? Come on, 7. What is 93 minus 6? Come on, 93 minus 6, 87. 94 minus 7, 87. It's just coincident you are getting the same 87, students. 8700. And what is this product? 42. So 8742 you can say. Right? Let me ask you one more example. Say 92 into say 96. I can say this is minus 8. This is minus 4. What is 92 minus 4? 88. Or 96 minus 8? 88. So 88, 100 because they are close to 100. And then minus into minus plus, it is 32. Minus into minus plus, 8 4 is 32. My answer is 8832. Done. Let's take one more example, students. 107 into 109, let us say. They are also close to 100, students. How much more than 100? 7 more. So I can say plus 7. It is plus 9. Why a plus? Because they are more than 100. So what is 107 plus 9, students? 116. Or is what is 109 plus 7? 116. 116, 100. And what is 97? 63. So my answer is 11663. Done. See, you don't have to write this step, please. You can directly add and say 11663. Let me ask you one more thing, students. 993, 988. What I can say, they are close to 1000. Say minus 7, it is minus 12. How much less than 1000? 993, 7 less, so I'm writing minus 7. 988, how much less than 1000? 12, so I'm writing minus 12. What is 988 minus 7? 981. 993 minus 12, 981. As I said, both ways it will be same. You don't have to check, waste of time. So 981, what? Hundreds? No, they are close to 1000. So 981 into 1000, basically it's into 1000. Into 1000 is nothing but simply adding 3 zeros. And what is this product, students? Minus into minus plus. 12 7 is 84. What's my answer? 981. 84 will come and sit in this 0 place, means 981 084. Right? Let me ask one more example, students. Then I'll give you some time for you to note down. Say 104 into, let us say, 93. It is how much more than 100 plus 4. It is how much less than 100? 7 less, so minus 7. Students, what is 93 plus 4? 97. Or what is 104 minus 7? 97. 9700. But what is this product? Plus into minus minus. Please remember, plus into minus minus. 4 7 is 28. What is 9700 minus 28? 9672. Students, again, like addition subtraction also easy, because when you borrow 100 minus 28, 100 minus 28 means rather 28 plus how much will be 100? 72. So it is 72, 9672. Right? So this is how you do a special multiplication of two numbers which are close to 100 or which are close to 1000, 10,000 or anything. Right? You pause this video, note down these examples, then we will go and solve few more examples. Right? Let's see. 89, 93. Can you please tell me how much less? 11 less, 7 less. 89 minus 7, 82, or 93 minus 11, 82. 82 100. What is this product? Plus 77. 82 77. You can say. Let's take, students, 106 into 91. What you can say? Plus 6 minus 9. 91 plus 6, 97. Or 106 minus 9, 97. 9700 minus 54. What is 9700 minus 54 means? What is the complement of, if you watch the video of subtraction, you will know this subtraction by addition technique. 9700, I don't want to write this step like this, please. 9700 minus 54 and then subtract. 9700 minus 54 means, what is the complement of 54? 46. So it will be 9656. Complements of 100 we talked about in the intro session. So you can use that. One borrowed. 100 minus 54 means, 100 minus 54 is how much? Means 54 plus how much will give me 100? 46. 96 46. I mean 9646. I'm just 9646. I'm just saying to make you understand clearly, right? So let's see one more. 991, 987. What you will say, students? This is 9. This is 13. What is 987 minus 9? 978. Or what is 991 minus 13? 978. So 978,000. What is this? 39 is 117. So 9878 117. Is that okay? So like this, students, any two numbers which are close to 100 or close to 1000, we can solve the problem. Then there will be a doubt people will ask. When you say close to powers of 10, how close they should be to power of 10 to try this method? You said it's a special multiplication technique. You are saying it's close to powers of 10. How close they should be? Maybe a doubt that you may have, students. Right. So how close they should be means, students, say, let us say, for example, 79 into 64 is how much, if I ask you? Can you do it in this method? Theoretically speaking, yes. Practically, no. There is a difference between theory and practice, students. Theory tells me it is 21. Theory tells me it is 36. What is 64 minus 21? 43. Or what is 79 is 36, 43 is 4300, that's not a problem. But what is 21 into 36? If you can say 756, go for it. But can I expect you to say 36th table? No. So that's why you cannot say 4300 plus 756, you can say 5056, I can say. But then students, this is not expired. You cannot you cannot do 21 into 36 in your mind. Immediately what you do, you start multiplying 21 and 36 to get this. See, instead of multiplying 21 and 36, you can multiply 79 and 64 separately. So that is the reason. To what extent you can be comfortable means as long as you are comfortable with its multiplication. That means if you know 10 tables till plus or minus 10, you go for it. If you are good at 20 tables till the difference is 20, you can try, right? And as I said, this is a special multiplication. When I say special, it's not for every number, right? It's only for numbers which are really close. 64 by no means is close to 100, right? So if they're not close, then we have the two-digit multiplication to multiply any two-digit numbers that we can apply, right? So to what extent you can try means to the extent you are comfortable with this multiplication in your mind. In other words, to the extent you are comfortable with the tables, right? You should not do this multiplication separately. You should be able to say directly, right? That is the first doubt people have. Second doubt people may have is, first of all, why should they be close to only a power of 10? Why the reference number is only 100 or 1000 or more? Can we not take a reference number as something else? You may have a doubt. Yes, students. Suppose I can take 70 as a reference for them. Then how much more than 70? 9. How much less than 70? 6. Okay, what is 79 minus 6? 73. What is 64 plus 9? 73. 73 into what? 100? No. Here, what is the reference number? You are writing these two differences in terms of what common number? This time the common number, reference number you have taken is 70, students. So now 73 minus 6, 79 minus 6, 73, or 64 plus 9, 73, 73 into 70. What is 73 into 70? If you can multiply that in your mind, go for it. If you're not comfortable with that multiplication, don't do this. You go for a two-digit multiplication. If you ask me, can we not do it? We can do it. 70 is 4900, 370 is 210, 5110. This is minus 54. You can simplify and get 5056. But into 70 is not an ideal multiplication to do that. That's why go for a two-digit multiplication. But if that, see, you can take any common number provided you're comfortable with its multiplication. Into 100 or into 1000 is easy to multiply, but into 70 is not easy to multiply in your mind. Suppose, students, if I ask you 49 into 47, can I do this? Yeah, what reference I can take? I can take reference as 50. If I take reference as 50, how much less than 51? How much less than 53? 49 minus 3, 46, or 47 minus 1, 46. 46 into 50. 46 into 100 is 4600. 46 into 50 means it is half, that is 2300. And what is this product? Plus 3. My answer is 2303, I can say. So now I could multiply with 50 easily, that's why I'm going for it. But is 70 so comfortable? Not so comfortable, that's why I will not do it. Right, suppose if I ask you what is 212 into 206? How much more than 212? How much more than 206? What is 212 plus 6? 218. Or what is 206 plus 12? 218. 218, you are writing these two in terms of what common number? What is the reference now you have taken? 200. So 212 plus 6, 218 into 200. What is 218 into 2? 436. So 43600 plus 12, 6 are 72. 43672 you can say. Like that, students, you can say any calculation. I mean, you can say any reference provided you are comfortable with that. If you are comfortable, go for that reference. Otherwise, go for two digit, right? So this will definitely, these things will take some time. I mean, these things will save some time. I'm sorry, these things will save some time, but they have their limited application, because if only for special numbers they apply, right? This will take less time compared to a two-digit multiplication, but then you have limitation of special numbers, right? Okay. Now, somebody may have one more doubt. So, what about if they are? What about If one number is close to say thousands, in one is say 989, another is say 97, how do I multiply? Can I multiply this way? Again I said, if they are close to a common power of 10, it's ideal to apply this method, students. But can we not apply means? Of course you can. See, you make this is close to 1000, this is close to 100, right? You, by putting 0, you make it close to 1000. You are putting 0 means you are making it 10 times. We'll see that. Then how much less than 1000? 11. How much less than 1000? 30. What is 989 minus 30? 959. Or 970 minus 11? 959. 959 into 1000, 959,000. Minus into minus plus 1130 is 330. How much it is total? 959,330. This is my answer if I have 0 here. There is no 0 here means there is no 0. That's it. Okay, students, this is how you can apply the technique, this technique for these numbers which are not really close to a common power also, right? So the key is see when to use. You should be clear when to use, when not to use that, right? So this is about numbers close to powers of 10, students. In some other video we will do another special multiplication technique, right? Thank you. If you have any queries, you can reach me at sr.gorantla1@gmail.com, or you can also reach me on Facebook or Instagram or Twitter at srgorantla. Thank you.